Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba pencengan Syiem ubadeu MDC Kamaukhar Pynthorumkhrah madu baderu Kyrtong uban aireng haka election MLA kaban salong haka arpunyo trik uban aireng pang arajar arpulai ulaong bakidon shibun kijing kibadei ban weng Hapoh ka Pynthorumkhrah constituency badwat lau ba AL hek ulalong kum umnong mikmat katei ka constituency mentala arpusan snem hanoi gipat ba kitep khambha halor ki jingduna karoi kapar Hapoh kate ka constituency kabala bu jing shikat dei ki pat ba kathan ulong bahaba pet mentala i kum babun na ki Kyrtong kimi kum kitet Hapoh Pynthorumkhrah hendai ulong ba ki pat ba kitep khambha namar ki pat ba ki kham start banya ki Kyrtong uba pencengan lakaran ni kita kentian habakran cikilat patai kubor mentaka sengi ha Kongres Bhavan hadin melawai ke jingelang pediang sung bhayu ba predecessor rumnong ubade Kyrtong barim ka Nationalist Congress Party na Pynthorumkhrah uba Philby Lingdo ubade Joint Secretary barim ka BJP Mandal ha Pynthorumkhrah haringkat kisan phongut tam kinong kershan ka seng NCP bat ka BJP kibalalet ban penyaso bat ka seng Congress banai ka jingkershan ni uba pencengan Syiem ha ketika election MLA.
Is election. There is not much difference. As of now, in Pynthorumkhrah, we have around 7 villages. 4 villages, they are already with Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah MDC constituency. The other 2, they are with Maulai and with Lainkhrah MDC constituency. Then I have no problem to convince the other villages also to support for me, because I am very much a neighbor with those villages which fall under my village, Lumshia. At the same time, George, I think you understand that I stay in Lumshia, the center of Pynthorumkhrah constituency. So I don't have any problem to address all the problems faced by other villages within the Pynthorumkhrah constituencies. I had met with the villagers of Nomensong. They have no single office for different blocks within Nomensong. I remember when one of the blocks, Dongkadian, come and meet me, request to give some scheme for construction of their office for Dongkadian block. As the neighbor, I had helped them. Now, under my consideration, they have the office for Dongkadian. Not Dongkadian only, Lumshia. One of the block in Nomensong village, which is not under Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah, but through the not MDC scheme, department scheme of the state council, under the consideration of the Syiem, we have already constructed. So I think I have a very close relation with the other villages also which are not under the Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah. So I have no problem to win this election. At the same time, as Bafredi told, Pynthorumkhrah is a mixed communities constituency where we have different communities, more or less same like Mausunra. So I have no problem to work for my people in Pynthorumkhrah. In Mausunra also, I think you know, we have many other communities, friends from different communities. So I'm happy to be a candidate from the Pynthorumkhrah, where many communities are available. Ya katakan approve. MLA nung kendong uanyale MDC saukusni jobna Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah. Likewise, ngambil problem berjobna Pynthorumkhrah. Ngambil isu, riumadan ni, ngadi MDC jongka Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah. Pada ngejob ya ka MDC election Maukhar Pynthorumkhrah saukusni. Na try license siteng mentah. Standar sibuk menurut mereka.
Mereka di general seat kentam lagi dok sesuatu tadi di bakle. Menurut kita jadi.
Sampai lesai, nanjak bunang. Nah, try masuk tu. I have been long in politics. I have been as the Paul Raja for 10 years. I have been as the MLA for 10 years. I have been as the MDC for 2 times. I have been as the chairman, as leader of opposition in the state council, as MDC 3 times. I know the art of politics. As Syiem District Council, so I know the art of politics. I think you will see that both all communities, they will support me. And that will be proved only on the 2nd of March.
Why you not choose Pynthorumkhrah? Why you gave up Pynthorumkhrah?
See, once in fact, I already intended to shift to Pynthorumkhrah. But during my time, very difficult to want the sentiment of my people. But after I lost Pynthorumkhrah, I contest from Pynthorumkhrah. Then that is the first decision for me to decide to contest from Pynthorumkhrah. Because now I am no more the MDC of Pynthorumkhrah. I am the MDC of Pynthorumkhrah. Then it is very justified for me to contest for Pynthorumkhrah. Especially the youth of Meghalaya, I appeal that they should be misled, misguided through money power, because employment is very important. I will not say employment in the government sector, public sector, but we should also depend to be self-employed through different schemes to be taken up by the government, the new government before. So youth especially, they should not be guided. And all the people of the state, they should not be misguided through money power. The state of Meghalaya has lost the past glory. In fact, Shillong has been known as the educational hub in Northeast India. It has very popular town in the Northeast India. Now it has come down. Maybe educationally, healthcare, economy, employment, revenue. It is because of money power. So my appeal to my people, to the people of the state, that this time we should vote for competence candidate, not businessman candidate. We need a legislator, a policy maker, a lawmaker, not a high level, not a coal transporter contractor. We need lawmaker. We cannot promote the tourism, we cannot promote the state in the field of education without good lawmaking person, without good lawmakers. So this time, I appeal to the people of the state. We should see that the competence, the potential politicians should come up, irrespective of any party, so that we can build up the state in future. I think you understand. Any fight, it is a very difficult. Even the chief minister also, he faces a very difficult battle with the other candidates. I think I will remind you, Dr. Didi Lapang, when he fight against Pak Konstantin, late Pak Konstantin, he lost as chief minister. So, George, I think you understand that I have no problem to fight with anyone. But I should be sincere, I should be serious. I need the love and confidence of my people from all communities in the Pynthorumkhrah. It is not, every fight is very difficult. I think you understand. You cannot take it lightly. As of now, it seems that many candidates, they come up like mushroom in the Pynthorumkhrah. I don't know what is the intention, but I think people will know better, because people are more smart than the candidates nowadays. So I have no problems. Bahaya may have many alliances. I have many alliances. We can fight.